Most people panic the second KashKick doesn't pay instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the payment issue is caused by pending offers, verification delays, or simple account mistakes that can actually be fixed. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming your account is permanently blocked before checking the real reason behind the delay. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do if KashKick is not paying in 2026, how to identify the problem, and the fastest ways to improve your chances of getting your payout successfully. Let's get straight into it. First, check whether your rewards are marked as pending or available. This is where most people fail. They see money listed in their account and assume it's ready to withdraw immediately. But many KashKick offers need advertiser confirmation first. For example, if Alex completed a mobile game offer yesterday, the advertiser may still need time to verify the task before KashKick releases the reward balance. So open your earnings history and carefully review the status of each offer. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes users complete offers incorrectly without realizing it. For example, Jake downloaded a game outside the official KashKick tracking link, so the system never tracked his progress properly. That's why it's extremely important to follow every instruction exactly when starting offers. But here's the problem. Even if you completed everything correctly, account verification can still delay payouts. Check whether KashKick requested identity verification, email confirmation, or PayPal verification. If your PayPal email doesn't match your account information, payments may stay delayed until everything is confirmed properly. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to contact support without slowing down your case. First, gather screenshots of completed offers, reward amounts, and any confirmation emails. This makes support requests much stronger and easier to verify. Now, go to the KashKick support section and submit a detailed message explaining the issue clearly. Avoid sending angry one-line messages like, "Where's my money?" Those rarely help. Instead, explain which offer you completed, the completion date, and what reward is missing. Now here's another thing many users don't realize. Some offers have hidden waiting periods before rewards become withdrawable. Certain gaming or subscription offers may take several days or even weeks for final advertiser approval. This is why reading the offer terms before starting is so important. Another major issue is VPN usage or multiple accounts. KashKick system can flag suspicious activity automatically, which may trigger payment reviews or temporary holds. So if you've been using VPNs, switching devices constantly, or creating duplicate accounts, stop immediately. To recap, check whether your rewards are pending, verify your account details, review offer instructions carefully, gather proof, and contact support professionally if needed. Most payment problems can actually be solved once you identify the real cause. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your KashKick experience so far. And if you want more updated earning app fixes and tutorials for 2026, check out the next video on your screen.